This is The Impulse, the new podcast powered by the CUPRA tribe. Francesca Sangalli and Antonino Labate reveal in exclusive the sound of the CUPRA Born. Antonino, Francesca, are you ready?
Yes. Wow.
It's like a rocket. It's like a space odyssey. It's really emotional. My senses were like, wow, something special is happening.
The sounds of acceleration.
Every time that we listen, I emotion again and again. This sound, for me, it's a sound.
CUPRA is a highly emotional brand, so when you talk about emotion, you talk about senses. When we design a car, obviously all the senses are involved, like the sight and the touch. We can go beyond there, no? So there is also the sound. The sound, it can confirm everything that you see, you touch.
CUPRA Born, our first 100% electric car, is or will be the new hero for the new generation. It's the car that represents a perfect match between performance and electrification.
This is The Impulse, the new podcast powered by the CUPRA tribe. Find us on Spotify and other digital platforms.